you where you were.
Borrow egg. That's
Shut up, make the year the truth. Shut up, make the year the truth. Animality industry. Like you
now my neighbor, when are you going to see a they kill your mother with your papa die with
Mama, if you demonstrate for us. Demonstrate for us. It's of our time.
At 55 years, you are still on the road walk. You are not ashamed of yourself. Go and get a life. Why is that so? Come away. Boss say, he may pay you why I'm here. Now me the run now my waya. Go and ask. Where is the door?
Listen to drama. Make we watch drama.
I
see you not see.
Shut up.
My children is my natural egg.
You don't have any children. I know everything. All this information with me. If you don't take time, we post all of them.
If they just when
update. Tell her to shut up because of Mama,
if you calm down. Mom, calm down now. Calm down. If you will calm down, calm down.
I cannot be but we were there.
All of you come. My children come.
Turn up your mouth.
You follow. Now you tell us you follow as Zen eat for 7 Joshua. Upon the Joshua when you for it. When the boss say you did come, I tell you say I carry sacrifice wait for you for here. Since you eat sacrifice for rest, your life not be the same again.
You know what? If you want to hear the truth of this matter, drop this woman when you drop.
You are lying.
And she's
oh no.
Drop her. When I finish,
come and talk it.
You can never get fat because this woman is a psychiatric.
You are stupid. Now say update. Now say the do for you last shrine.
No worry, Mama. May you relax.
I must on your toy.
Even if you mess it, even though so now next week, we must see the truth of this matter.
We must see the truth. Yeah, not be Olosho. Talk your own. Jennifer Collins. Calm down. Come on, no now.
When calm down so that
how we make tea boy.
I can't do about Yilala. This is what update. This is somebody will call me for his house.
Mama,
okay.
Do agwimagwa ni Maria chance no enu gwimagwa but they to our very na yet drop you lao. Exactly all this yes. You know one calmly. Do agwimagwa gwimama here wa be damn his side you but when we you na my understand. All you na meto we doria the case wa.
Updates. Imadia case of power. I go use the language in Malaki. We were going to na gwamba una give so talk ima interrupt ina zigbe no gwafo abi then you now bring me up what's the baby the part of home if I the part of government do everybody we nota. Anyone do stop him, we don't stop me. I don't want it.
Oh yeah, we muti ne. Esan daughter we mut no gwan. Where you road do him, my drop.
But I kokpa, Mudiane when no muti.
No worry.
I'm your toy. Yeah, you may talk every other thing in meta. You can why you don't want me to see
where shut up.
Every year. The one when I want to talk, brother, update. Ni mi amiaba. Iruwa, ivie you can call me. Oh, well, okay, no. When I'm a book, everything the time any wife now like. She can call me for a say. You don't see and say the way the mama robo they do me. They do me because my brother not there alive again. Say he no native doctors when he be say they go he go show to me. Mudia oga oge
this is not like the baby go. Oh, get la me talk about
Mudia ya when you make one. Now let this one. This is the make cocoa. I must stop it.
I want to
live on the face. Say he go show me native doctor to go pee mama robo and Naomi Mina and Obigbo. And now when I don't do that. Just now. And now when I don't do that, is you if you have anything when you want to help me they pray. He said no. Don't they use the bucket can they do it?
That's power tap, guys. Power tap and share.
He said that on you if not lie, is you am a bollard the social media. Uma call him a bad recorder. What's your man recording, eh? I not record you before record me. She can't tell me, she not saying a lie, swear put. She tell me say she proposed to me, say me the key, me go show me the doctor. Yeah, and I tell her say no, even though say they do me things, my prayer no pass back to send that prayer. He can't tell me say no, not be so. He called me on Monday. When I can't see he call, he didn't even try to return the call. He said that time all the native doctor they wait for me. On Wednesday still do the same. I tell her say mama, I don't want press the blood to day my hand. If you have anything to help, now back to send that prayer. Now they say people help me, they pray. If you not come me and say, you want to show me the doctor, may they take them Yoruba. And to the extent you can't tell me say you divest for me. I say, why you divest for me? You tell me say, because all the native doctor were waiting, I know present. I can't tell you say, I don't tell you say, me I not get that thing from mind. If you have anything, back to send that prayer and I they pray. If you not gonna call me, may you show me how to kill them. I said no. I was surprised you turn around the saga me. If but I want update.
Live video yet. You let for live video.
Voilà.
You know
yes. Okay. Economic yo. Not be today, you don't say since last 2 years ago is time.
Oh no, I'm a boy.
Just very
when you at your bow or guy matter at your game, let me tell you the don't take.
Can I speak now? Please mute our brigade.
Yes, I mean yes.
Oh yeah, we're mute now. Mute now.
Okay, then it mute.
First updates. In case one time it although it's your man ebanya. I will bet you ban. You I'll tell you kaya swen. E me no kike tana. You no jivie ya 20 bojo we many vierijo. Me na gele tie na gele kamewe ni ya we boni. Agbe jorobo wa ni agbe na mi wa ni agbe ni body wa ato you no ju wi ya 20 bojo before keso na ta
okay to boy tie boyo na be man we keso na ta
igwe no ju wi ya 20 bojo we evenye gele tana e mata no uno ju wi ya 20 bojo
Mama, when me neta do I think we go and do we think you see letter no.
Every not my people. If you know say na lie, na lie for your head. Go and swear any swear when you want to swear. Yes.
No.
No what?
Whatever.
Not be today I don't talk am. We don't
when we are here, but I will walk video.
If you don't say na lie, go and swear this way when you want.
Yes.
You fit do it for back. You fit do it for social media. No problem. I give you go ahead.
Let me tell you.
Then you mute. May I mute?
Even if you're maybe when you watch when I say 500 people, yeah. If you're
YouTube, when talking, I'm at YouTube be damn
I'm not coming.
Okay.
Yeah, when it's talking, yeah, Tana, ni wuji guamona. Ina when it baogi, a normal sejo be. Ina when it buy any wuji guamona here la bet. On a guy, we are not tired with Bonaga ogi. Oh, here toto viviejo, or to boy berry yeah. Oh, here a berry yeah, one after the other.
That's power tap share. Man, power tap share. Why they gift nothing not to our view, no power tap our.
Then you may share video now. Then you may share video now. Definitely, it's your program because you show your page me, show your Facebook me. So and but tomorrow while we receive a baby and they will we will drag you. See further notice. A matter was here now. I will drag you. Then from there, the whole world will now know the truth. Who is lying between me and you? I saw where Bonani Tori. What told her my Bob my Facebook. That is the truth. He lay home. Sagioma Romobo or the no harm. Even the one in Sikodao. You understand? So let me go to how this issue started. How I went to France. First, we did France do Basha wuna kumema post apnene joint or geleage video baba. Many via regional geleare joint ni. Ina mudia weti do Basha wo. When I mereti me gele job me uve Gemina. Iwa. Iga gele jo iwe ya Basha wo or ya negotiate ya posto baba. Igwo bono gume bujo e jamie ni we ya hokai ba bonire na ena rob ni we ne rose meno anywhere. Anything no anywhere no ya here. Mo ya no biete hu ayo bo bere wo mi mo no samenu mo yeye. Umie no mo no samenu no.
Ebune ebono riri kan we. Ya tie yo do we kan mi mo no samenu. That is not my business. Ebony mwela dia uragele calling me wo wa. Number 1. Uragele sing we now
don't distract please. Imano hotel. Because you no verb bana wo ve more verbona when you move back even this one is evil enough for me. I want to make a bebo, but this one is enough. We're only spirit no washing with the nena. Many. Then we must say you understand? So let's go to how we started this issue. A maternal one. And please don't interrupt me. I just want to pick out everything. Yes, the way you answer. No ma coming, you no come coming. How agbelegbo wa ere ne flavito na asaga yan ona vian la dana wo yan gbashawo ere my no risu mi na because I cannot remember many but ni mejere no wa mbo concern me hianta even flavito mo matan la dana ti flavito na we na we ere na utian ya o find that when ya this and that my flavito na atave a platform e dijoro boye gbashawo e mi na me do ye gbashawo me reference e Germany meji. Because you're a vice man of a club, man. As a Mama International CCBG, a vice Megano.
Okay.
And now we had the bus Osusuma is different from a club. My was Susu a club. A Susuma wa a Lugai. Osusuni is 500,000. A 3 group, or 500 euro, or 1 million, or 200 euro. So now we're 300 euro, now we're 300 in here, 300 every month. Now okay, Masuene. Ona we had a year with that Saturday Mariere. Ona we allow ni cover ni enadi enagli cover ni na mono. Second one, Oma we didn't have a cover. Do the bar and away a major boy. You're bore ever. Away here we gui, or 1 year we bagui, ye little let do meet. Ona to boy is it Dahana Mezigba Ivane ine emne kama no problem na ye continue because you go near more we move. You understand? Now we never go ya over ya now totally life is struggle you know me now be soft person o man have you meri mess e must solve the problem ya No be say na come shop. No sit like Jamini club where mo solve a problem here. Live video not side that more show die. Ask any of them when they have issue, they come to me and I will shoulder it. More as a mama wire. Go ask of my story. My story will shock you. You understand it when I honor the tell ya when I away. The next thing, a matter no get I shall wo eriya eri okpo bi gboro mi ebo emina do ha ngwana we do ni ema eri ya arrest yen eri ya doni sha yen eri ya wono na woke mi atinya do tie Naomi ina tie Yoruba wo ko we mata na wo ya de ne yo beti me o yen no gbona yo tie me mo tie I ma tie won itie ma we no te we be present ma tie ma yo tie me and I will worry. I will find out in Nogele, Isunu, and I will get Jorobo. You get Jorobo now with Naomi, Mina, and I will no big boo, no 1 minute, any big story. A benado woman. If I didn't know me, Mina, not do tell me well, Mama, you now will no meno, because the matter now. Osawe bonne yeto biye iya invite ko na la webo o mare iye na we ni ya dele ni ya ti bo siso mado kweni e na ya dele ni ina ya ti e bo ina wo ve kegbe we te ebe tie ore mana ni gbo ga washing ya ina wo ma e na do tie okun na wo no hijina iya we kale sadi ya ne na do muya ya group ke we no ya ne we akale ya banwe genagare bani ganita ovi bogare ba Yoruba yen me keke na mimi na mana wa 6 mana areba na mimi na we as far as your body why ne me boje o we ye seti guhu na eternity o ga ona eternity no ya consult yan wa we bodo na okay if I need to be now to tell me Dr. Lizard the way Dr. Lizard or the person ni someone ya ge abi ya tell me ya ge na woman you know be Dr. Lizard many me to be met Dr. Lizard ni na ge na ya seto mata na wo na mata da wo wa suppose na sete mata bona he wa ge awe na me we e bona lion berry e na ka me we oh ma ka ya mo bo marry in a tiabo. So for that simple reason, they cannot be in a gathering with you until that issue of a boys rule out. And now okay, they don't know. Do what the devil go where what the come away the brother me give me Yahweh. I will bring out my money. Now you are utilizing the bonnie and we are seeing so that we can settle this matter amicably, not an issue. When they review but what get over here. Eminence on saga eminence on be because of so which was wrong. And peace ga gwa on your makane kanya me la do me e ma mi gbokpe ya se gbe container no we ya VG yan na fili yen kwa bona fili yen kwa ina ya rete e we as take na VG ina ya yen ijo na worry ina we sis we go we do ni sha paper we said me I translate then me even me here na do ti ovi gboni we gbona do vie emi ya no sunu I Yoruba na do vie ore even no na ya ma even no ya mo kojukpo even na de ya yen even sa ya pe even no ya so mo ayo wa na wo ma any problem me Yoruba we yon ri la wo do ape agbe no ya bleed ni bupo o ya ajukpo na any ya wo na ta wa ga wa so don ya we na ya se pe mata na edunisha ngwari ne sise yin tonuwa o ya ni tula na we ne majo o ma kan yin na o mi na o we problem e na do tie na o mi na do yin na wo goji wa ga o ya ai na kana ya na de vagbo wupo ne you understand me ke do la go di issue me ke do travel France me la holiday igi holiday na kam Yoruba na holiday I wa di France opportunity me c'est France ba me Yoruba mana ya bi la McDonald's ma ya ne de gani work de olitana oni rukbo because when Nigeria ta oni na do call na ma wa enjoy here o ona ha mi Yoruba we no make sure no dey McDonald's me That's pay. And then what came here via the yoke me take away so that you is what be the buy. So mana go me phone. Ona bet ma den ma dame gi am na wo. So ma do dame be me donut ni. So ma yo wa. E yo bona woni ma wa live. E mana ba live ani ma ri amene. We kini na wi na vision. Oui, mi vidi me jemene passport to de bakpe ya di France ya weke kokobiri. Am I stupid? The millionaire yak pokwa me jemi. We me gye yak bebo yok bebore. Ima mi okpa ni ya di France ya bashawo. Me no wa ne Deutschland babane wi gwane. 200,000 euro ti ya mo me for credit. Here it say. Then ya bashawo ba. Esuno me ya la webo. Madame amomere me to bi me na. Ọmọ egbemi adie webo meto bome ọmọ egbemi adie webo idu ekila ma ya du ya adie webo ekila ma do mani ene they will tell you ekila ma do ni ya kwego ni ya adie webo madam amomere go ask madam amomere ma be gbash won ya la webo ime wina me ya la webo for 25 years I've been working. I have been working. This is my first time of going to maternity in the general receiving from government. My first time
what the story no where but any mahere what attack or not give my what shot
Tana yeah otala ba mata shot gume wa narrated the gume na so at the end of the day and I don't well no lao you must solve the problem ina there's a fool so we cool iye mo for mute boy ke mana wa ya make jovio hani ona wa su ona wa video any video dey jore ni dey wo gbasha wo bana video mo ye we wanna post bana do ya gbasha wo ahun
you are watching go on here no ta mama
okay make you tell me to speak English okay so I will speak Pidgin so everybody will understand. Madam Money, yes, na make the runner as a mama wire morone no other person. So at the end of the day, she refused to comply to the issue. And I said, well, as for me no go get anything to talk again. For now, make me go settle on herself. The juju man say, may you come. They don't already go. They now me say she don't already go sway. You understand? Say if she really no one, not two for everything you accuse her for. Since you not come, did you just right? Can't defend yourself. Now they say may she go back things to swear. Now she go swear. So she don't swear. As far as she don't swear, she not get anything to discuss with you. That was our ending of the conversation. You say Mama Robo this, Mama Robo was not also in the patient. Like again in where a girl litano. Eto kame, I'm not interested. Ima de girl litano. Uni menawe hon. Ige girl litano nene ge me mio. Vivani nene ge ma we dame ge. You understand? And uwe government orie visa ni Yoruba no ya viviere government orie visa ne Yoruba to boy ya we visa ya viviere government mari ne. And of you can with kabanya where Yoruba ya rege ya go sorry my sister lever of again with your girl litani of no be anything. Hello. So be giving out truthful information. Yotobo mo viere. On a la vision robore. So no we ya mo boefi problem ni ka clear ani nwene. No we ya make my work bonane because of this road work of a thing you talk. Mele when gbasha wo mo bo. I told Mama Robo why ya ajukpo. Or we ya re ya stop if here this we go must stop. And I just see it like let me stay off of everybody. I block everybody. All my old friends keep blocking. Even in my club, he remove because my bashawo with club in it. So this is we work bashawo manadi. Since Maggie stop, you have to go. Now every club woman. So when you come, why I believe what we do. Okay, don't make sure me a time with don't make sure don't bring me. If you want to talk about only time memory. Stay on that way. Only time you are aware. You are anyway. You are tapping away. Pin away. When we do submit submitted the fact. Only taggle more marry. Or man of delay.
Mama de only time more marry ba o yari ma. You understand? Only time more Mario, but yeah, carry ne no we are this do go have a live video man. So Mohammed we are with beru video wotana. So emi no jinyere tota day ona ya de kan only time mo or mo get Nigeria re. You understand now? Zevi week been no soon or we explain. Hey, do yate va where a girl only time. You understand? That's all worry what do ata only time mo get no. Area ya soon. So I must save me no ke do ta where a girl only time. You understand now? So I say when you explain man make na eru doni en na re weru de get only time wa mo get on wa mu yen no.
When no after they ban they told me this one in ban where a rivier yo a dionona I guanjo I will be
always say mama la wo my
brother what update I think we're going for let me talk. I will ask a question. My brother, maybe that time you don't know me for Facebook. Jennifer Collins TV, she know me. My sister Jennifer. This Oyibo Amiomaebo, the guru, the fight of a team. Not be Facebook, the whole story for soap. Yes. Even if you're of a person, yes, she carry and analyze her. He said, "I can't tell her, Mr. Has."
Now Facebook,
I will tell you, sir. What time we have 2023?
Oh,
God bless you. 2020. This one when she the
time. I said when the matter don't stop already.
Now, after it don't stop, how would they call you? Not be social media.
Don't stop. Now you can't take call me now. When you can't call me, put for
me. Me can't call you. What did they there? Wait, is there you wait? Telephone when me they use before he lost. All our conversation.
Wait, Mama, all you anywhere here worry. Where the laugh? All you anywhere here worry. I worry, Mohammed, when I your name go come up. Mama, I want beg you something. Sister Ivierio.
Yeah, I know you when you try to put your
Mama,
name
wait,
inside. Everybody knows say now lie matter now you go judge now.
It's our daughter, hold on. It's our daughter, hold on. Okay, Mama Ivierio, la wo. The reason why I bring you come up, I felt tell this woman just now because that time when I felt get argument, I don't want to go cause problem because I need your attention. I need your support for this same issue. Now make me fair bring you come down, say make you fair relax, make him talk to avoid fight. Now the reason why I bring you come again, Mama, I just want me you explain for us the way you explain for us now. We don't hear you. What I want me you do now, beg. That woman what they call Mama Orobo. You fit share this video for her, make she can climb, or you fit give me her number. Out of that two things, I beg.
Yes, I fit give you a number. Very easy. Okay. I give you a number. I don't share them for my. I don't really share the video. Definitely she will see them. Okay. So make I give you a number according to you. Okay. So me.
If you call and come at TV, and attack the number. Don't send them. Why you send them? When WhatsApp man, abi.
Email WhatsApp you will send me email.
Oh yeah, +34.
+34. Yeah.
682.
682.
636.
636.
989.
989. 34 682 63 6989.
Exactly.
Okay.
Was sure it made direct so that made it easy for me. It will share the number I like the number sure. But that days may I call her whether she go fit pick because I want to make we resolve this issue. You know understand? I want to make we resolve this issue, make peace day. You understand? Because if they don't want me to resolve this issue,
what that I bet what you can carry this issue come back come again because
now we want resolve. Don't worry, may you relax. You go here with the issue. May you relax. You go here.
Not be long time issue.
Yeah, I will explain everything again.
No worry, you go here. May you relax. You go here. Wait till bring the matter. Come back again. Just wait. I beg. Just relax. Okay. Make I take call Mama Orobo.
Wait.
We dey live video again from Victor we dey oga avempo. E ba mo yin go mat kan we. We go can dey
Mama, relax. No one will resolve this whole issue, huh? Not be arguments, not be quarrel. As we there, so we get more than 100 something requests. As we are there, so if I send the request, but I want something. No worry, man. I don't know the kind of people where they be. If not the family member of Mama or Olitan, I don't know.
Brother, even on the near, yeah. Brother, even on the near. With Ezon Okona Guban, Oma Gwezo, Upayahe. I'm not trying to praise myself.
Oh no, that one not even me. Even though say Gwezo will not be that one we will come here for. You understand? She don't now make you forget that one. Just relax.
You know what I mean, now it's something else. Then I now know me ban where if not be
Who send them?
The Chinese sending now. Rukbare baby. Foreigner, all misbehave. Or Maggie Steven or Bowie. So you don't wait be here. So the matter of making a reading say, may I work the end Yoruba direct where Gimeri no be men away. So that we're making that write me WhatsApp. So my lads have a funny way. So when
okay, my lads
plus 49
plus 49,
1606
1606
38 7754.
Okay. Yes, power tap and share. Make una power tap or share video now. Hello.
Peace. He said because all these women, no one they follow and they play. Truly. He said he be one man squad. Now I say, wait here already. All those one don't tell me. As he said they make trouble. Make I not follow and do friend. He knows in Nigeria like me. But my mind don't let me rest like that because I think I say na my person. Now I tell and say, but you know the ash. He say you know the ash. He say maybe they follow and they play. He say because he no see person when they follow they talk. Now there I can't greet them more. I can't say they tell me say you go born. When you tell born, he say na last 2 weeks. Now I say it too quick now. You for still wait like 3 months or 2 months before you go start work again. Now you can't tell me how everything be. Say everything get as it be. This time when I dey tell you, brother, you know there the city where they work so na Paris for the come. Me I dey the city. I dey city of France. He they come for Paris. So now I can tell and say, okay, as he can't be so, make it try, make it find money, make it take gather himself before he go come work. Now I can say, okay, oh God, this call with the family, I'm gonna wait. Make I'm gonna distract me. So now so we there, we can't the greet brother.
Have you go answer there first? Let's say na client they call.
So and then the other night when I know her, the other day, I can see and say person fall for inside garden. He fall, he lie down in the road. Now I can come my second say, he be like say person fall for inside garden. Inside garden. Now we can run go there. As we reach there, now she dey bleed. Fear no let me say make I leave her. All those women where they there when we
brother update mudia ma onita.
Let me just
Wait, Mama. It's her daughter. Make all of una wait. Make all of una pause. Anybody wait to now me now what update Mohian you want lulame now as soon as they talk this word so either you will be Mama or Robo or you will be a son lady or a son daughter. Anyone will go hard Maggie or granite or your joiner, or you want put small light, take spice some. Now what if you pass, you go take pay.
Amen.
Any of now, when one judge this case, make the whole world now the year. May we know the world want to settle one. You say you want talk and make for sweet anybody. May you change and what if pay you pass. Now you go lose for this matter. So every of now have to say it the way it is, so that we will know the world to settle.
Exactly. So, brother, now I can't go meet her. I not feel beer and see and say they bleed. Now I can't come my second say, we not feel leave this woman for you. Now that my second say, you know, say the smoke they run for her. And I say, but we not go feel live and newly born. Okay, as it be now, where you they stay? He say no get where they stay. Say you come for Paris. Now I say, okay. You carry hotel. He say no. Now I say, okay, follow me. May follow me go her. After the bleed, so you say, pardon, no, they get nothing, they get follow me go her. As he reached my house, the way he take the bleed, that's me I call pompier. That's me I call ambulance. Me they can't carry you because the fear come in my body. He said no. He said if I call ambulance, they go no say leave you Peking for Percy for Paris. What you go come do all of us sit down till daybreak? I use my hand pack blood till daybreak. When they break, now I suffer in Taran. I suffer for long. I go train station. I say me go Paris. Now he come tell me say, I say me not come. Me make sure say he spend real 2 months. Now dear, he come they cry, he come beg me say he no get money. He say if we go fit borrow him money, make it take gather himself for that side. If he don't gather himself, he go come back. Now where trouble pass come now make me go start am from beginning. Yo. Now I say well me no get money for hand. Now I come beg my second. My second come carry 500 euro. We can't give this woman. Gather yourself first before you go come back. If you come back, if you start to work, you go give her back the money. Now I say, okay, oh. But I remember say, they tell me, say, we not give her money borrow. If we give her money borrow, now they go start to the fight us, you know, go grip pay. Many people, wait, they hold on for they no grip pay. Go they fight everybody. But me, I not feel better because in newly born, I be mother. Now I take give and say, but me, you not quarrel with us. Put if we ask you this money, you say no. He say no, go do anything. Now I say, okay, as he come back, brother, he don't start to work. He can't reach like 1 month, he come back again. Now I say, but I tell you that day, say, no good like this. You go gather yourself like 2-3 months. He said, no, he said the money not reach and you use. Now I leave her. As he start to the work, now I go meet her. Say, a month where you promise, you don't reach show. Give me, make I give my second. Now, dear quarter pass come. He say never get money. Say if you get money, go pay her. Now my second tell and say, the time when you tell and say you want to pay, don't pass. He need the money. The thing can cause problem for you with that one. They call the quarter. Now I come meet her and I can say, if not so, they give me the money small. Make her the gather. If it don't complete, I go give my second. Now today go give me 20 naira. Okay, that one pass. Since then, when he take all those money, wait, no, if you pay finish, he can't they follow us, they do enemy. Now I say, may we just stay clear from her. Already, all this woman first tell us, say, may we stay clear from her. We be 3. Then you go carry one for his side. He can't they make friend with one. Now be that of Igbo, where my friend Ivie talk just now. Now there I can't stay clear from them. Oh, I know near them for past 4 years. On a very good day, I see and say they beat the woman. Where it be my friend, where follow me come. Oh, now you with her they make friends for 4 years. We not play, we not they talk. I can see and say they fight the woman. He beat her today. The other day he beat her. The 3rd day, now I can't go meet her. As I go meet her, now I say, what did they happen? The way you tell the beat the woman, so he not good.
Hello? You mute her, be waiting. She didn't call. Hello?
She didn't
She
call. They call her. She didn't call. Just hold on.
No,
She will call back.
Not be smarting.
Okay. Matana me. Wa da me matana ngwano ni la kame.
E matana. O ma kan vie ba son, o ma be kan vie ba van. E yere manania.
Okay.
O kwona na. Wa noe. E no go mu me ade. O teme ne kerere ive tama wo teme ne kere no. E o violita. E wa ni o teme ne kere Jesus 4 years. Yo wetia gas yo ni on na le leg gbina. Awe amu ya police station. Ima ever yo we gbogba record. Neni ya was yo no ga gbe. Amu ya police station. Wa no e no remember.
Oh, sister ideo nuta ban idene. Uwe ege ni eta we ege olita no gotun we ne here ege ni hi.
Veni via wa ya tab we ovie ni. O mana be tana ni ye nana. Ye gi vere ken meje.
E ma understand mama we my enemy me idene we my ye understand that ni no. That girl no kunata we again olita e no. Oti we no abie girl olita gele no or wo mo ere.
Oti me no. Oti me wa no.
Amwe girl ni la we bo. Amwe girl ni re.
Me no me wa no. Eti e tamu we ban we me na do ane yen go. Ma no igo no igo me. Wolita gi ya mwere o ma no lita mure wa ise me na ya ne yen go be deve no taye. Deve no taye.
Okay, olita amwe girl ni re. We not yon e o mo ere olita.
Olita oti me ne kere no.
Emenu wetana mama, we are even boyo. Emenu wetana, we are even boyo.
What's here?
Who more? Okay, the year no more 20 lawa. The year no more.
You might have moved on ever. What 4 years ago?
4 years, the month no here, dating no.
Okay, but 4 years that November no. Only time I webo. Why I get cross check ye ke. Only time I webo do me wala webo again. Only time I webo.
Okay, but yeah, time I be that boban who wo you know where me wo litam we get ni la webo.
Oga me no. E mi no da me se ke ya asa me na you me ya kama e verio. Adegi me ma you me tama e we only tagele mu ye la webo. E mi no ju wo ya bie. Oga ya asa.
Okay, that means only tama mo.
Eri kwa fie mi na oga ma jo. Eri akwa because
can you know we they
don't know you egbe mara we
that's one but we matter very yo ye we ni
so say yo egbe mara we
Hassan update no we the proof mail la jan we only take get na le rebo when we illiterate agato oge they no dey think what if proof come and say only this
we kwale proof the la jan oga proof we go gbe ti we
they whether they worry proof is coming proof is coming whether they worry.
Be matana yo gbe ma understand
Of your proof where update when you be a proof one of your proof when Yoruba okay ya go but then mega dear France or what you mega dear
my brother. Get already understand. Where did the worry? Truth is bitter, but it has to be told. Oh, laddie. Not let the cover of this case the way they cover it up for Ilala. Or Guaiba. Who can tell you? Not be you. This matter happen. Where we
Arseto e mata iye ye re winu po wa sona ye receive ko ye le yo lere iye mato taye mana seto e mata ozege ya we e chap chap ija no na ore mana se fo wa re give na mana ri bagwe e fo wa tututu na ofia ne oya resolve oya biego ni oya muye kenia oya bank biye kemunia
Update. I'm not seeing. No, not by Lani Redamio. Emma nega live. Nega contribute live video.
My brother.
Damio.
Update.
Update. Damio. Emma Cole when nega guan no lie live video. Ia disturb me the call. Also no night to every talk. Sister no wegbe. Ne rana ya kwio do odibawa oworupo ogayego we 3 minutes away yese wani ne ma gwale prove ya boy you get if you prove
my you now I must tell you Tori when we bully you this platform is different you can't bully we walk we me when I talk about proof now why you Tori why you come down not be just to talk calm down you can't bully for this one not be a weapon when I don't see this one not be shrine you cannot bully here I name everything on jot. He put everyone.
The problem. Speaking the facts.
Illiterate, you want to lie. They don't think.
Where you pay the woman guana be how we did that.
Now you can understand how they do it. Update. This is not our weapon. My people, my people,
Iwe oga me prove. You know vieux la dia. You understand?
Yes.
Vieux la dia. Mo.
Evi no mani. Wa how oga agwamba. Emi no time one after the other. Because wait till you talk today, if you talk tomorrow, then they know. Mama Robo, Ezon Ogwima, only Ezon Ogwima Webo, Ezon Ogwima Doris from Vito. If you check waiting at the talk right from Facebook, they are the same. She said now 2016, now she come here. Yoruba came here 2017 October. Where she first stay, the people are still alive. Woman house when he stayed there, they call her Mama Favor. Now that woman has to stay after they spent 3 days for hotel, be 2 days. The woman is still alive. He never buy. The people when he talk say now they can't tell and say one Nigerian person for here. If they do it, they say they pay money. I believe the people are still alive for that one. Number 2 and number 3. Last time I check, when she come meet me, say may I help and beg people. She tell me say her friend whether they call Naomi Mina. She want to do naming ceremony. Say money when Naomi Mina want to do ceremony. Say he can't find money to go Nigeria. People now when they bordo now know the year when Naomi Mina born in Peking. When I would calculate whether na 2016. That was the year when I knew Yoruba. To lie very easy. You don't lie when you don't just because you want to lie. Now the year when Naomi Mina born, now when they bordo now know the year when Naomi Mina born 2017. October she can't say Naomi Mina do naming ceremony around November. She can't say she can't find money. She wanted to join money to go Nigeria. Now that period, she go carry waiting Naomi Mina to do naming ceremony come. Una when you know the year when Naomi Mina do naming ceremony, calculate it. Whether na 2016. Yoruba, I beat you hand down there. That's number 2. As people when you say when you say that they tell you say me at the borrow money I know they pay. I believe the people are still alive for. Even though some buys and not all of them will just buy. That's number 2. And the people when you talk say you come meet, they can't tell you say one Nigerian they here you don't come out you go come again. I believe the people are still alive. Me I don't know the people when you talk. Problem error. As I take borrow you money, I can't borrow your friend money. The money when they talk just now, that one are true. When her friend Irene, his boyfriend, he junior brother girlfriend where they gather the hustle. He get waiting I want complete. The guy can't give me 500 euro. I can't use and complete. At that time, Mama Robert already did Nigeria. He want go help Naomi Mina bring something come. When Naomi Mina want to do naming ceremony. Make what Tori.
I'm Tori.
The guy can't really give. Where you were very bored. Where we met.
Who you not boy? I can not be when I did give a mission road. Mom, I brought out there today. Pregnancy at the age of 60. I'm giving you the proof.
You
my sister. Let me say it.
All the way from Norway. I get it, Mama.
Contribute, make it climb up. If you not get what you want, contribute. Calm down.
You can
cry for all I care. Don't give me air. Don't be different when I first do. You not tell me. You don't say you eat Isobo for Junction. When is it since you come France? I give you Isobo chop for here. Now you lose work when you reach Germany. As a mama, you don't say you era. I'm not supposed to see a bewa or good by papa or good by your sister or good by your mama. Your papa died for Ogbala Junction.
What the update is now?
You went papa. I resemble your sister when you keep finish the cocoa children for her. My husband went to
Moron not supposed to be bewa.
Ubelu stroke or saluna, then you forgo your psychiatric hospital. Psychiatric hospital.
All of una mood, I beg. Everybody move.
You the tell you know what
everybody on the mood side.
You will see your brother when my body were. Oti we no gbe no ka we bod we ma gbe wa. We ma we na ya kila ya gbe wa.
Mama, wa mutine later wa continue wa mutine. Ne ma be gun, ma be dame who watching.
Come here, don't let people hear the truth that they carry ozuguzu they put inside.
Worry, matter na continue now. I'm your to because mama, the waiting I want hear from mama. Wait me I want hear from that woman, Mama Robo. Magumeta, okay, but when I hear what Gasson gave me now, that way for no Gina, that win and the Gina winning. No more a video that woman, they talk about game of kilo,
Mama, I mean, no my job here. I mean, no my job.
Please.
I mean, no my job.
Update, let me correct and let me correct a fact here. Okay? Okay? Please. And secondly, ero wodo or etofio we Johannia or a one waru with beg everyone get whatever. Do you know what I'm saying?
Children for Nigeria for 13
Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? How do I use all this kind of words? We will not get the fact. Listen, let me tell you what I'm trying to say. We will not get the fact of where we are going to. Let's leave all the sentiment aside. Let's focus on the fact. Update.
Mama, mute your side.
Calm down.
Mute your side, Mama. Mute your side, I beg. Now, mute your side.
Clear party ne ke mute. I'm mute. Worry. Iwe na call we no buy live video bre. So do here.
Me agi call ba no buy live video ra te mi yan call no ba mi agi poli eri. O ma re ke no na do different dey gbe e ma call no ba for what reason? Okay, wa ni kiyan ma call no ba na also she dey. Inwin aye. because when they talk to me just now, I dey hear sound of people there. I even say who they make noise for there.
Car they pass.
I
even talk as so they make noise for there just now. So at your age, mama, ikebu wene babu nu we ya mu ya wa ya da. Hi.
But update not only when I'm Polanya or who manage Uga. He not the children for what?
If you were over where
don't judge a book by the cover.
Easy boy now.
Bring her up. Update you bring her up now.
13 years. 13 years. If you come here, you camera.
Update. I want to know who.
Come and defend
I want to know who now. It's Ashawo at 55. I want to know. Don't me a post is this week or since last. Don't me a what?
But you get the right day.
Mama, hold on.
Irene Baba wa talk pe.
Mama, okay, camera aiguille.
Also one Yoruba.
Yeah, brother. Hey, so one Yoruba. What for you? What where go tell ma? What is the retreat? What na go here? Why where go tell ma? This week, the me me book money.
Mama, you for normal job now.
China, where to women are wa? I gonna ya from here just stop. Don't you be
why you put you this for that?
Mama,
you are too beautiful for that kind of job.
My children there for school. Shebi now you fed content live video say I love you for my children they go school for Spain.
Mommy, why are you just school?
My children they school for Spain. If I go meet my children for Spain for Easter, I will do live video with them. You they lie when they use lie.
Where government
they go see my children for Spain.
Play. For
job is okay. Mama, you too fine. Mama, you too fine. Stop the job, I beg.
Tomorrow I go watch them. Shebi you talk say you know they go now. Tomorrow Monday. No, let me see. Shebi na control for live videos.
Stop
Operation Defend Yourself. People when they for from Victor platform that day, they swear for Victor platform.
Mama,
this is a big shame.
Go there tomorrow. I mean, go call social for you. Social will go carry your children for us. No, again, I'm going we must see the end of this matter.
Evanima mutiwa watore baba Emana kenana meme Emana kenana ru na wo meme
my brother na so
get that
nonsense.
Hold on everybody. Sister me sister Mudane, I have evidence like that, Sister Mudane. Na fe ko settle me na. Ya fe ko settle ya settle me do de ne we inwinu po na o wa mo boy the major problem wa ya wa me we bu wa na. Well, he let the sister now call his boy. Please, calm down, calm down. Or call. She's in another call. Not true. No, we better ban. For mama, warring steady. Mama, Robert, we imagine a week now. Never night Tuesday now. Mama, we imagine a week now. Okay, last week your age said Sunday last week. And mama, we just away, but now I like week now. My yo. Mama, go your comment section with YouTube and I reply. Somebody wrote it on YouTube. Where so mama Orobo, you still they go road walk. He say he never go this week. Where hen and atana you go yo was yoku. Or my ham where we Sunday and just last week where I done or we a nice swim a week now. You calm down. You relax. Mama my try. He's a low boy. Mama is very busy, mama. Oh. Very busy lady. Mama, why you must say? It can be what you want, it be so low boy. I am where ye and I hear why stop on a mohen stop why? I will stop it. Mohen stop I been your guessing, give me a clan, your guessing, give me a dog, give me a boyfriend, give me a jukbo. I be mama, low. He's a low boy. Mama, grandma, and mama, wait bar. We have it here, or we're not Barbie. Mama,
I don't think we can keep only one person.
No worry. I not go answer. I mean, I not there for that one again. The reason why I bring and me we settle this matter, me no worse past this one. So since mama, why you dey busy? Client, a bank client, you think you will get some gear me now? I beg client ni kakwe ta beg client. Because if we mama we you last week you say my you a week now. So we no ba mo bog bu wase wa marry when you turn away to wave more 20 no do asalo we get you know it's a daughter. Yes, it's daughter.
No.
You say na only time bring that girl be you say waiting.
But I'm wearing a big screen.
Okay. Oh, I like of your son now. Oh, we want more a big screen and you are
when we're even no Tori, what the person they lie. Now the bear man they talk.
Yes.
Only time now carry this girl come.
Yes.
Okay? The only thing I cannot say, maybe Yoruba or Hassan no Yamwari. Me don't know. The only time can happen Yoruba by self tell me. How it reach there because he begged me for money for BTA. I called them and said how much? He said he need about almost 400 euros to complete it. Let's say 300. Now where he go there. First to start. When I they go there, I don't get problem with it. But they don't fair hurt me 2018. I can't come out. I lived there 2018 till 2020. 2020, I can't come back to this city. I was not going anywhere. Understand? I can't their house. We can't meet for African store. Ivory Coast woman, I get that store. He can't hold me, can't they beg me. He need down, na me reason up. She can't they cry, me can't they cry. After 4 years, they offended me. The woman when in Europe from his store, kneel down, they beg me. She's still alive. I'm not trying to go deep into that. So now they will still exchange number. So she can't tell me say she still they go there. So that 2022, that time my children they with me for his house. I can't look for school when I want to carry my children go. I can't carry my children go school. My children enter school around November 4. There by November 3 or November 4. Now my children enter school. She see the talking for you and I say they carry children, they carry children. Everybody knows say na lie. Sister Jennifer, she dey here now. When the evil saga me, after I go carry my children for school, stay 3 months with them, I come they beat all the presenters. All of them they were aware. When I want carry my children go school, okay, I check many European Union countries. The school when they see it, they very expensive. I call 2 of my followers. They recommend me school for Switzerland. When I call Switzerland, the amount was too much. I no fit pay. Person when una go ask which is aware. I can't call Kate ODL when they Benjo. That time me and Kate the talk. I can't tell Kate say my sister, I dey look for school for my children. I know say for Benjo school still dey cheaper small. Kate can't tell me say yes. School dey cheap. I call Kate around April, May 2022. So Kate can't tell me say he go watch out. When it come there around July, middle of July, Kate can't send me 3 school for Belgium. Kate ODL, she's a presenter. I'm gonna go ask her. Kate can't send me the school when Kate send me. One, they say they know they carry baby of 5 years. The other 2, they say I will come drop my children on Sunday night. I will go carry them on Friday. I can't say no. I need school where we say I go every 3 months. So now I make I no go for the one for Benjo when we say Kate give me. I can't look for school. That's why I take get the school when I get for my children. After I don't carry my children go school finish. Like I even tell the Yoruba. She can't tell me say, oh yes, I tell her say Yoruba. I don't tell you say if to say me and you know you for not carry your children go Benin. Before, after about 2 weeks, that period when they see me for November. Since 2018, when I tell leave them, till November 2022, they don't see me. Oh, when she I don't know, say they snap me picture. That time whenever they quarrel. But the picture they give her to retire me mom. How I tell no, now be this. Waiting retire me mom they talk for live video. They give her to Yuri. Waiting Yuri and retire me mom they talk. Waiting Yuri and I beg but update I move here on ma. Then we do bully ma so that everybody go no. So voilà. So waiting Yuri and retire me mom they talk. I can't see this Yoruba. I can't say Yoruba. The way Yuri and retire me mom they talk. It be like say na me that they talk to. Anybody go tell they say I dey here. She said no. I don't even know say that my picture they go give them more. When they try to buy me that time, when the case come out from media, now Kate ODL come talk say these people don't go give her Yoruba and Naomi Mina don't go give her my picture. Tete say me it saga me for enter house. Me only they there. I was not aware. Why not? Anybody when they get Kate ODL a phone, why knowing? You not tell me inside house now her live video she for talk. Now Kate ODL can't tell me say. Not be you that they call on Gina. Your name won't they work na Gina. I can't say yes. He say na Yoruba tell her. Say pictures they with them. I can't say na no because even though they put my picture for her side, it don't mean anything. That one only Wogoni. You understand me? This one where they say just now. They can't tell her say make it be careful. Me no know the people. Last time I checked, now they come meet me. This matter they first talking 3 years ago. She even talking for social media. She tell Becky, Becky. She talk about Fayila last say na true say na me really beg for them. Not be me begging for them, no be the problem. My people, may I tell you now how the trouble they start. You say if I get belly, I'll go born. It's 2016, now she come there, oh, me come they get belly, go they born for a present. My first baby, I born her 2010. Now I born my first baby in Ibiagbava. My second baby, I born her 2014. My third baby, I born in 2017. I come to Europe around 2017 October. To lie very easy, but can you defend it? When I come know, and that is the period when I say when she came to meet me, she was speaking Bini. There be 2. When I they listing, how the trouble they start. Now I come tell her say, my sister, how you tell no say I be Bini? She said they tell her say be son, but I dey hear Bini. I tell her say yes. One day, son, girl, when we gather their faith, I was like, maybe not the guest direct them to me because that very day I saw the girl. Then she come tell me say they get problem. I said, what be the problem when I get? She said they come 2 weeks ago. They pursue. They come last week. They pursue them. They still come yesterday. They pursue them. So no, that day I don't already be 2 days when I come. It be like saying a person tell they say they around. Now maybe they come meet me. You understand me? When they comment waiting come. See, there are words you hear from live video. You use and get sense for yourself to save your own life. How I was able to save my life, now they talk so.
Hey, no 2 married women where they go road walk. Bring them for me. Emboss me, bring them for me.
So waiting, they come meet me. They tell me say they don't go. That I'm talking about 2017 now. They come tell me say they come, they pursue them. You understand? You say me I bring, now the proof they bring so. Where did they worry? So now then when they come meet me, I can't go follow. They go meet those people, Cameroon and Congo with Romania. They come they verse. They say no, they don't fit drive them. I can't follow them, they beg. After I beg finish, this not even talk to quarry. Later they come accept. So later everybody come out to Europe come still meet me. He with the brother boyfriend, junior brother girlfriend, and the guy that they do the Olo show. So he with that junior brother girlfriend, now I beg for. So now they hear me, be like say my network the script.
They hear you with the
Yeah. Jesus.
Okay. So when they can't meet me again. They tell me say, yes, no verse will be three. That was I say, wait the third one. She tell me say that third one say now we go. Say they fear the threatening. Night that one don't go back to Bordeaux. Now I say when I call waiting can't happen. He said the woman won't come. I was like, now one made that one still come. He say yes. Now I say why you not come tell me just now? When I go beg, I beg for 2. She can't tell me. I can't tell her. Okay, no problem. I go meet them back. Me with them. They can't tell me say. These people can't tell me say no. But now true say when they first come, now they be really teary. Since that one don't come on, me they just leave her there.
No, she they go. Very, you know what? She don't see fair talk and say she they go. She not remove herself. She not remove herself. Carry your mama with the.
I they go. Big bag there.
She not remove herself. She say she they go. She not fair last. Say
if
she
I
not
come out a day, if I not get money 400 euro, sometimes a week give me 2,000. Who was Zwa?
You see her so? Ooh, but you people are making a lot.
Okay,
you people are not paying tax. You people are not paying tax. Can I pay tax?
See, for me to give my people to black boy to Nigerian boy free of charge. I'll use to make money. That not just worry yourself for that one. See, my brother got tell me now. Now me have to go give her. So now the woman can't tell me say they can't they beg. I can't they beg for 3 of them. Now those women tell me say not true. Since that one don't fair call, they don't even first see that one. So waiting they make the driver. May they don't leave her there. I can't say no. Now so I take beg for them. Long story cut short. 2 days later, the woman can't really come. Also advanced lady. You understand? So now we can't they work. Me normally I they quit they come out. That Igbo woman can't they give me courage. Sometimes we was 34. This is Yoruba with his brother girlfriend. 1 they don't come out. 12 they don't come out. So this Igbo woman will stay with me. After we don't work finish, the woman will go house. Me will come out because me I they stay for train station, opposite train station like my apartment did that time.
Do your things.
Well, no, there they stay. That my apartment. No, no, believe me, no.
Okay, your house. Okay.
Yes. Even the Igbo woman sometimes they stay for they sleep for my house. The next day they go house. No mind.
They go house after the
yes.
Also, yeah.
So waiting come happen after a few days. I go say Mama Orobo go call me. He go call me. Oh yes, son. I go answer. He go tell me say when we come off for road yesterday, Obi go walk again. Now we trouble for come be this so make all of bloggers cut here. He go come and say, Obigbo, he walk yesterday when we come out. First day, I tell him, say, yes, he walk. Second day, he can still call me. He go tell me, say, how many person carry? I go tell him. The second day, he can still call me. He ask me. I tell him. The third day, when he can call me, I tell him, say, sister, I don't fit tell you again. I tell him, say, after all, you want to be able to say house.
Say, how many Bola Obigbo carry?
Can you imagine?
They ask me,
now
yes.
You carry Obigbo come abroad, come do
brother, may you don't forget. May we just face the issue first. You understand? Fine. So she where the trouble for come now they tell una so. She can't ask me again the third day. I tell her, say, sister, no, if you tell you. I tell her, say, if you want to know whether we will work when you come out, stay beside her. May you know how many you work, how many money you work. Or when you reach
one after the other.
Yes. Or when you reach us, you by yourself ask her, say, Obigbo, how much you work today? So not ask me again. This is a betray something. I know if you do one. Don't ask me again, don't vex. He say, but the break price. So I say, if you the break price, that will not be my problem. Ask her, if you want also know whether the break price, stay beside her. May you for know, may they list, you know, they ask me again for phone. She can't say, okay. The next day, she come meet me. He say, he say, he don't call Bini. Her family for Bini don't tell her, so we go now winch. So, since they don't tell her, so we go now winch, make me, since now me beg for them, make me tell the people, say, they pursue Obigbo. If I talk and they go pursue her. So, after they don't pursue her, finish, so that you go come out with in which. I tell her, say, my sister, you know, so Obigbo now which. But now, Ghana, they do now Olosho for everywhere since. You know, say now which. Why you can't follow body come? You know, say now which. Why you say, make I beg for I don't know before. Now, which no be which, now not be my problem. I know what feed one. That was where trouble started. She can't follow me, they do miles before she can't even go Nigeria. Una when you know when Naomi Mina born. Now DJ when Naomi Mina born, I know her. She came here, thought said she the family when want to go Nigeria. Go carry waiting Naomi Mina want to do a baby in naming ceremony. Now when no Naomi Mina, me na answer. DJ when Naomi Mina born a pikin. And of your feet come and they lie. They talk waiting me say, if they ask me, I don't get proof. You don't understand waiting that they talk so. So now be that. That was when money when they talk just now, not true. I don't feel like. When she did Nigeria, I wanted to complete some money. I can't ask the girl Irene. She not there here now. 1 month, now I ask that girl, Irene, give me the money. Okay? When Yoruba, it takes few days, now Yoruba come from Nigeria. That time, I can't give Irene half of the money. The other one, Irene can't ask me, say me I give her. I tell her, say, my sister money not there with me next week. The week really come. She can't give me account number, First Bank. One Agbo girl, Joy. Now he help me send her money through her account. I can't give the girl the cash. I was so surprised to see say people come meet me, tell me say money when they borrow, I not pay them. God was so kind. I get the proof for WhatsApp. I can't give her to them. Say, see the money. October will say no. Around October ending, November, night they give me money, and November still give them back. See the money. I can't give them the proof. That was much they talk. So, when I remember for Franvito platform, Franvito, if you dey here, you know say when this woman come your platform, she tell you say she carry money give me. After me come the fight and now he can't dash me the money. Now so he tell Vito. If Vito dey here, from Vito no, Megwan. Now me can't do video the next day. I send the video to Vito say, na lie. Now her friend even borrow me money, Irene. I give the money to Irene. Yoruba not the one he give me money. If from Vito dey here, from Vito go no say, when this woman come her platform, if you dey listing, now you will talk. Is there this woman tell from Vito say, now she give me money, say me no fit, me no fee pay and he can't dash me, I can't fight him. They don't tell me from Vito. Now they say na his friend do. This woman go talking from Vito platform say, Madam will carry me come, I can't run for Madam hand. They can't do something. They say he said Madam will carry me come, they for Luxembourg, me can't run from my Madam hand. After I run from Madam hand, now they can't swear for her. Now she can't demand. Everybody knows say now you go carry me come. What, brother, what update? You can't a base pain communitarian. That's number 2. They go talking for Franvito. President say I not pay BC. That one is another proof. When they come talking, is here you with Yoruba. He say the time they talking for Franvito platform. Say Franvito, if he dey here, now you platform they for talking like this. They say France government don't collect my children. When they want to carry my children come out, me come they cry for social media. Now I tell Franvito say na lie. My children dey for school, everybody know. If here you, he come out say he get proof. He talking for Franvito platform. Franvito is alive. They talk for a bit of platform say after me don't they want to collect my children for France, me come retire run go Spain. Now for there they come France government come call Spanish government say make they help they hold the children there or say their children there with government, not my own. They did there. This woman come social media now he call Becky inside house. Becky love TV. Victor ex-girlfriend. He tell Becky inside Becky come play the audio for social media. He say me go lock my children for inside house. I'll they go say they don't carry my children. Becky come play everything. I tell them say na lie, my children dey for school. This woman no. This woman was it. Now me can't even let social media know say this woman leave the children for Nigeria since 2012. They do a shower for street. 2012 to 2023, meaning 30, how many years? 11 years. Now people were like, now you even carry your children, go dump them for Benin. You they blame this woman. I let this woman know say no, my children they Europe. They are going to school here in Europe. About the house now I put my children. They say na lie. When this saga was going on, that saga happened in the month of May. When my children day school, day holiday for June, and I went to Spain. June ending, go pick my children for school. Then we passed that almost 3 months together in Spain. When I come to Spain, after that I come start with the saga or the presenters. Say when I say they collect my children, now I day holiday for my children more than 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Why not come quiet? Make una ask us, we dey talk right now. She was the one locking her children inside house for Bordeaux. Anybody from Bordeaux, if I dey lie, come and say, Madam, I lie you dey talk. If they lock children for inside house for Bordeaux, 2012, they be one collect her children, then she take carry children go Nigeria. Not be she see the good. She see the good. When her children did, she was doing Olosho all over Europe and France for 13 years. Children not able to 13 years she was doing Olosho before people come they mock her for social media. When the news come out, when they be one they thought say I mean the government collect my children, all of them they know say my kids they are okay. That is the jealous. After everything, 13 years old, she was doing a shower alone. No house, no apartment. She carried her bus, her luggage put for Naomi Mina place for 30 years roaming around. Because since government want to collect her children, she carried her children around, go Nigeria, they can't collect the house for her hand. Now so she stay they roam around since before, after last year, now she can't carry her children come from Nigeria. As we speak right now, she still they lock her children to go road. Her first daughter was 6 years old. When they want to collect the children, she can't carry them go Nigeria. The second one was 4 years. The third one was a year plus. That one, she not even sit time to do paper for that one. Now TC, travel certificate, now they go collect for Nigerian embassy. Not even Nigerian passport. When they take her and Russia and go Nigeria. Now she stay there here for 13 good years. No apartment, no driving license, no education, no information, no work, nothing. Ashawo. Apart from the 2 flats when you get for Benin, when you can't complete for here, nothing journal, nothing come out. She did carry the children come since March last year. She still locking them at home. That is picking when they 6 years that time. That picking when they 6 years that time. When you carry them go Nigeria, the pikin can't come back at the age of 19. Now the pikin now come they look your brother when the mama they go a shower road. You want to use yourself to compare me. My children they go school for Spain. If I reach Spain, this March, Easter na April 5, March 28, I don't already day for Spain. 28, 29, I don't day for Spain. I go put my children for live video, but I no go show their face. You will hear the way my children speak Spanish fluently. Yes, they don't repeat.
Mama, we relax. Balance I want because we go soon round up 12 done almost sharp because this matter will continue tomorrow.
What am I trying to say, brother? Proof. When me when I proof, no say the way I take proof for everything when I talk just now. Only time proof when you say make I drink. If you not drag her too much, we'll go meet police. Yes. I say only time brought that girl into France. They left Nigeria November 22. No, November 29, 2022. And they reached here November 30th, 2022. The were early tired in Nigeria. When no my be. You will not go school. You know date. Eh?
No, even the way the woman take talk just now, show say now later bring that girl. The way the woman take talk.
Because the reason why when we come, the reason why,
if you say not be your little brigand, if time we say maybe the matter, if we say more resolve where why you understand? So the matter go reach office. Since now see, thank God say she use her mouth, say now she bring the girl. I get the evidence.
But you hear me. They hear me. You they hear me.
I dey hear you say waiting.
Why did my video come mute? My photo, I don't know.
It pause. Now your network. Now your network.
My network, oui. My network. Attends. La. Now my network, they be safe. So waiting, I want just talk. Now it be that, my people. You understand me? He said, "May I close up? If I close up, come back. I will feel join you again for the line."
Yeah. Close am, may you come back again. Cut am, may you come back. You send request. So my people, as we dey talk on just now, since this lady don't agree, say not be your little, say na she bring am. If time reach, she go talk am for police station. How she take bring the girl, or now little bring the girl. You understand? Thank God say we are they not even dey far from realms where on a day. You know understand? So I would they talk now, say if I dey Paris,